today we're going to be doing the lunchbox challenge. So the point of this game is, you want to describe it?
So one lunchbox has a fidget.
Like a popsicle.
Yes, and then the other lunchbox will have the food version of that fidget.
Sorry.
Like a real popsicle. And basically, one of us, so we're going to be given these lunchboxes, but we don't know which lunchbox the fidget is in.
So, we're going to get a poll and see which one. So, say I won, so I get to peek, and then the next time she gets to peek, and yeah.
Yeah, so when she gets to peek, then I will decide whether we should switch or whether we should keep our own lunchboxes. And whoever gets the fidget in their lunchbox gets a point. And so, also sorry that we're filming outside.
There is a really bad round at the end with asparagus. So I really hope I don't get that because I hate asparagus. But so let's get started. John, gonna go again.
Okay.
John. Oh wait, no, you go first because you won.
Okay, I won anyway. Okay.
Okay, can I go?
Okay.
I want to switch. Okay. What do we got?
Okay, open on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yes!
And I got a popsicle.
Wait. I kind of regret that.
I regret that.
I want a popsicle.
I'll trade you.
Okay. But I still get the point, right?
Yeah.
As soon as I picked it up, I was like, this is later. Okay. Okay, popsicle. Cool. All right, next round. Okay, so I got the point. Here's another point going up. And we're waiting for the next one, the next round. So, yeah. Okay, I get to peek.
Oh, wait, you get to
Yeah.
peek.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna keep.
Okay.
Okay, wait, unzip it and then on 3. Look.
1, 2, 3.
Haha! Ah!
3 points.
Got pineapple.
You know, I'm really happy about that because I can't eat pineapple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
All right, next round. Oh, I don't get to eat anything.
You can have my melons. Do you like melons?
No.
Oh my gosh, I hate melons.
Bubble tea drink?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Ew. I'm not gonna drink it.
Why? Okay, here's the next round.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Okay, I want to switch.
Yes!
Okay, 3. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes! Wait, what? Okay, I want one. 4 points. Thanks. You need a pop it. Come on now. Is this like rice candy?
Yeah.
Like paper?
Yeah, you can use the paper.
Okay. Next round.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay, I'm peeking. Put it up.
Right, you're picking.
Okay.
I'm gonna take keep.
Okay.
I got the poppet. I got the poppet.
I love peaches though, so I'm happy with that. And yeah, he got a point. It's okay, I got 1, 2. You got 3 points.
1 point. Okay, next.
Okay, what'd you get?
She got the pop it this time.
Oh my gosh, it's about time.
And that candy stuck to my teeth. Oh wait. What am I doing? Okay, so switch your keys.
Switch. Oh my god, you look sad. Oh, it's lighter! It's really light.
You know what you're gonna get. You got, but I can't complain because I got a bubble tea.
Yeah, I got the pop. Wait.
You got the point, but I got the gold.
Well, I mean, I got a pop it though. Come on, you got to relieve some stress. I'm gonna eat my oranges. I mean, my peaches. Next round! You upset that I got peaches?
Are you upset that I got the poppet?
No, because I love peaches.
Oh, I love poppets.
Well, whoever wins this next round gets to keep these.
All of them?
All of them. And I get to keep the food if she wins, so. Yeah, whoever loses.
I think
the
you
food.
want the food. I think you want to lose.
I love food, so. The next round.
You picked last time.
You did. Okay, feel free. Oh, dang it. Okay, go.
Switch.
Yay! I got a cookie!
I got a poppet!
Ow, it's hot.
It's not a poppet, it's a squishy, but
But I'm so happy. Yes, I'm so happy.
Show them the cookie. It's super cute. Look.
It's really
it's so
hot.
It's so hot.
But that's what it looks like. What is it?
It's a gingerbread cookie.
Oh, yum.
They're so good. I made them.
Ooh, okay. Yes, I get the food. Woo! I get the food.
Hey, so you said if I got this cookie, does that mean that I get this entire stack and you get my food?
Yep, I'm so happy.
Woohoo!
Wait, isn't that more food like the popsicle?
No, I already did the popsicle. Right here.
I know, but where's the popsicle? I want the popsicle.
Oh, it's in the freezer.
Yeah.
You can get it after.
I'm gonna drink this. Oh, jeez. Oh.
Does it have bubbles in it? Like bubble tea?
Yeah, it does. They're not good though. The bubble teas aren't good.
Oh.
But the drink is really good. You want some?
Yeah.
Or no? Go ahead.
Yeah, it is good. Oh, it's not even that sweet. That's great.
Yeah.
It's like, ooh, I really like it actually.
You won though.
Yeah,
Be
you. can have
There's a surprise one you aren't
it.
expecting.
Ooh.
Oh, there's another one.
Ooh, a surprise one we weren't expecting.
Since you won that round, I get all the food. I'm so happy. Okay. Go. Wait, am I peeking? Oh, wait, no, you're peeking.
I'm picking. No, you peek.
No, you pick.
Yeah, you peek.
You pick. Okay, I remember I brought an ice cream squishy, so I really hope it's ice cream.
So switch your key.
Ugh. You usually have bad luck, so I'm gonna switch. Oh, dang it. Oh, it's light. Oh wait. Yeah. Is there ice cream in here?
I got the poppet, and you got asparagus.
Oh, that's good. I'm not mad. Yeah, here.
You don't like it, do you?
Just need this. I want this. You want it? Asparagus?
No, it's
You're-
asparagus.
Well, you have to eat it because I'm not eating it. Ew.
Well, I got all these, so.
And you get asparagus. Merry
Ew.
Christmas. Okay, well, is that all? Okay. Well, I still have the popsicle to eat, but yeah, so I am going to enjoy this food. I'm probably going to have to share. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Oh, and subscribe to her fidget TikTok.
Oh yeah, it's called
Piper's Creations.
Piper's Creations, and her is Flurryland?
Flurry Island.
Flurry Island, something like that. Okay, so yeah, make sure to go follow those accounts, and I will see you next video. Bye.
Bye.